Hi there, welcome to our February Hot Products video from Standard Electric. My name is Joanne Moss, and in honor of Valentine's Day, I have these cute little hearts on my face. And who I have with me today is Jason Schmid with WAGO. He's here to tell us more about the Eco2 power supply. Lindsay Romans with HellermannTyton, who's going to tell us more about adhesive mounts, and Dave Sussick with LESCO, who's here to tell us more about the Edwards Signaling Polaris Beacon. So to get us started, Jason, why don't you take us away?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce WAGO's new Eco2 power supply. A couple things to point out here. Take a look at these orange levers. We make it nice and easy for wire terminations where you don't need any tool in hand. Simply use your finger to activate the orange lever and you're ready to go. I'd like to point out the marking on the side. Everything you need to know, data sheets, approvals, etc. are all available for your convenience. We have this convenient marking strip. This makes it nice and easy and convenient for you to be able to properly mark and identify your power supply. And lastly, take a look at the size of this guy. Nice and small and compact on the DIN rail. Allows you to save space on panel space and eliminate and reduce panel size for your convenience. For more information, if you'd like to know more about this guy, please contact Standard Electric.
Thanks, Jason. That was great. Like to learn more about that power supply. So now we're going to talk to Lindsay, who's going to tell us about those adhesive mounts from HellermannTyton.
Thanks, Joanne. Adhesive mounts, sticky backs, whatever you may call them, you might even call them a total pain, but why? They are very convenient and easy to use, but sometimes they get a bad rap because they fall off. Well, it could be because the wrong type of adhesive is being used for the application it's in. HellermannTyton has different types of adhesive mounts for different applications. We have rubber-based adhesives, acrylic-based, high bond acrylic, and high heat acrylic. Adhesives have characteristics that can affect performance. So we created an adhesive mount guide to lead you to the sticky back that will work best for your application. To select the optimum part for the application, you have to follow 3 quick and easy steps. So step 1, determine the surface energy of the surface it's being stuck to. Does it have a high or low surface energy? High surface energy would be metal or glass. Low surface energy would be paint or plastic. Step 2, the environment where the application is. Are there chemicals? Is there high heat, low heat, or UV exposure? And step 3, the bundle weight. How much weight do you need the sticky back to hold per foot? So let's walk through a quick example. This is the adhesive mount guide. Let's say we're installing in a control panel that has a painted finish inside. It's going to be installed indoors. The control panel will not be exposed to chemicals or sunlight, and the cables being installed will weigh about 1/3 of a pound per foot. So paint has a low surface energy, so we suggest using an acrylic adhesive. Step 2, the mounts will be used in a controlled environment, no chemical or UV exposure. And step 3, 1/3 of a pound per foot, we recommend 1 high bond acrylic mount per foot, which would be this one. So, and of course, to ensure adhesives always have the best stick factor, you should always clean the surface before applying your adhesive mount. To get a copy of this adhesive mount guide or for samples, you can contact me or your Standard Electric account manager.
Thanks, Lindsay. I didn't know there was so much to know about those adhesive mount backs. So now we're going to listen to Dave from LESCO. Tell us more about that Edwards Beacon light that you have sitting in front of you. Take it away, Dave.
I'd like to introduce the Edwards Signaling Polaris Class Model 94 Beacon. This light is available in 7 flash patterns, or should I say, you can control and field configure 7 flash patterns. It is available in multi-voltages, 12 and 24 volt DC, 24 volt AC, and 120 volt AC. We have a 2-lens system. We have a double Fresnel cut interior lens that magnifies the already bright LED cluster. And then we have a clear polycarbonate lens on the outside, which really gives protection against drop, people banging into it, and just keeping dust from getting in the Fresnels on the inner lens, which would, correct the brightness. It's got a metal base. It's available in gray and black. We're proud of our hidden in plain sight or HIPS switch that we use. If I can, I'm going to plug this in and show you how it can be field configured for different flash patterns. This is study on. The switch is cleverly concealed in the Edwards logo in the front. You just touch it. It's a tactile switch. Each one changes the flash pattern. Once this is set, it can be left as is, and it'll use that flash pattern. This is a great product for use in a high noise environment where people are wearing hearing protection or earplugs. They can't hear the audible signals, so you got to get something out there that they can see. This is the brightest LED in the class. These things are rated for 148,000 hours of service. If you want more information, please contact your friends at Standard Electric.
Thanks, Dave. That was a beautiful beacon there. And that's it for our February Hot Products video. As always, if you have any questions, just reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. And we hope you had a very good Valentine's Day this February, and we will see you next month. Thanks so much for watching.